Welcome everyone. Welcome in class 7th mathematics. Today we are going to solve questions based on Pythagoras theorem. Today we will solve questions 6, 7 and 8 from exercise 6.5. So let's start. Question number 6 is angles Q and R of a triangle PQR are 25 degree and 65 degree. Write which of the following is true. We are given three parts: PQ square plus QR square equals to RP square. Second part is PQ square plus RP square equals to QR square. And the third part is RP square plus QR square equals to PQ square. Let's start the solution. So first of all, let's draw a triangle. This is perpendicular. This is hypotenuse. And this is the base of the triangle. Now we are given angle Q is 25 degree. Angle Q is 25 degrees, so I am writing angle Q 25 degree and angle R 65 degree. This is bigger angle 65 degree. The point is R and this is the point P. By angle sum property, this angle P will be 90 degree, but we'll calculate by using angle sum property. Angle Q is 25 degree, angle R is 65 degree and angle P we don't know. Then by angle sum property, angle P is equal to 180 degree minus the sum of the other two angles, means 25 degree plus 65 degree. We'll get angle P equals to 180 degree minus 25 plus 65 is 90 degree. It will give us 90 degree. It means angle P is 90 degree. Since it is a right triangle, right angled at P, so we will use Pythagoras theorem. Now, by Pythagoras theorem, the longest side or the hypotenuse which is opposite to the 90 degree angle, the square of hypotenuse equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So here the hypotenuse is the side which is opposite to 90 degree. So the hypotenuse is QR whole square equals to base is PR whole square plus perpendicular is PQ whole square. So from the given three options, it is matching with second option. So we can say option 2 is correct option, or we can say option 2 is true. Let's do question number 7. Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 centimeters and a diagonal is 41 centimeter. Let's start the solution. First of all, we'll draw a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Let's draw its one diagonal. So this is the one diagonal of this rectangle. We are given the length of the rectangle is 40 centimeter. So this side is 40 centimeter and the opposite side is also 40 centimeters. And the diagonal is given 41 centimeters. Let's give the name to the vertices of the rectangle A, B, C and D. We know that each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. So we can see triangle BDC is a right triangle, right angled at C. And in this right triangle, BCD by Pythagoras theorem the square of the hypotenuse, which is BD whole square, is equal to BC whole square plus DC whole square. Let's put the values. BD is 41 whole square equals to BC is not given, so BC whole square as it is, plus DC is 40, so we'll put 40 whole square. Now square of 41. Square of 41 means 41 multiplied by 41. We'll get 1681 equals to BC whole square as it is, and square of 40 is 1600. We will shift the smaller number 1600 to the left hand side. The sign will be changed. It will be negative 1600 equals to BC whole square. 1681 minus 1600 equals to 81 equals to BC whole square. We know that 81 is a square of 9. So 81 can be written square of 9 equals to BC whole square. 9 square equals to BC whole square. It shows that BC is equal to 9. BC equals to 9 and the unit is centimeter. Now perimeter of the rectangle. We have to calculate the perimeter of this rectangle. We know the formula equals to 2 times length plus width. We'll put the values of length and width. Length we already have. Perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 times length we have 40 plus width we have got 9. This is width. This is the width. So we can write 9 equals to 2 times 40 plus 9 is 49 and 2 times 49 is equal to 98. So 98 centimeters. We will use the unit centimeters. So 98 centimeters is the perimeter of this rectangle. This is our answer. Let's do the last question. Question number 8. The diagonals of a rhombus measure 16 centimeter and 30 centimeters. Find its perimeter. So let's start the solution. First of all, we'll draw a rhombus. In a rhombus, the opposite angles are equal and all the 4 sides are also equal. Let's give the name to the vertices of this rhombus: A, B, C and D. Let's draw first diagonal of this rhombus, BD. Let's draw its second diagonal, AC. By the property of rhombus, we know that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle, or we can say at 90 degree. It means we will get 4 right triangles. There are 4 right triangles I'm using different colors for them. This angle is 90 degree. Now we are given the one diagonal is 16 centimeters. So AC looks smaller. So this is 16 centimeters and each part of this diagonal is 8 centimeters. Similarly, second diagonal BD, this is 30 centimeters and each part of this diagonal is 15 centimeters. This is the intersection point O. Now, in right triangle, I'm taking blue right triangle. You can take any of them. I'm taking right triangle AOD. Since it is a right triangle, so we can use Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, the side which is opposite to 90 degree, which is the hypotenuse, which is AD here. So the square of AD equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides, means OA square plus OD. This is OA and this is OD. OD whole square. Now put the values. AD we don't know. AD will be as it is. AD whole square equals to OA is 8 because the diagonal was 16 and OA is the half of this diagonal, which is 8 whole square, plus OD is half of BD, which is half of 30, means 15 whole square. Now square of 8 is 64, square of 15 is 225. It will give us, let's add 225 plus 64. After adding we'll get 289. So we have AD whole square equals to 289. So AD whole square is equal to 289. And we know that 289 is the square of 17. It means AD whole square equals to 17 whole square. It shows that, or it implies that, the value of AD is 17. We can write AD equals to 17. And what will be the unit? Centimeters. Now we have got AD. AD is 17 centimeter, which is the side of the rhombus. So each side of the rhombus is equal. So each side will be 17 centimeters. Now perimeter of the rhombus is equal to side plus side plus side plus side, or we can write 4 times side. So side is 17. So 4 times 17 will multiply and we'll get 68. And what will be the unit of perimeter? It is centimeters. So the perimeter of this rhombus is 68 centimeters. This is our answer. Thank you for watching, learning and subscribing the channel.